Do you know the difference between cardiac arrest, heart attack, and heart failure? These terms are often used interchangeably, but they represent very different, serious health crises, each one a profound and urgent threat to life. Understanding these conditions is not just about medical knowledge. It's about recognizing the fragility of the heart, our life's engine, and the alarming ways it can falter. Imagine the heart as the tireless drummer of our existence, beating to maintain the rhythm of every breath, every thought, every moment of connection with loved ones. When this rhythm is disrupted, whether abruptly or insidiously, it can shatter lives instantly or dim the bright light of vitality over time. Grasping what each condition means can empower us to save ourselves and the ones we cherish in those critical, heart-stopping moments. Let's start by diving deeply into what cardiac arrest really means. Picture a sudden, complete collapse of the heart's electrical system, where the heart, that relentless pump, abruptly stops beating. It's as if the lifeline that carries oxygen-rich blood to every cell in our body snaps, without warning. This is not just a health crisis. It's a race against time that demands immediate action. Cardiac arrest strikes like a thief in the night, silent but deadly, robbing the brain and organs of their vital supply of oxygen. When the heart ceases to beat, consciousness fades within seconds, and survival depends on a swift response. Cardiopulmonary resuscitation, CPR, or an automated external defibrillator, ED, can mean the difference between life and death. It's heart-stopping because it literally stops the heartbeat, causing death within minutes if unattended, catching families and bystanders in a heart-wrenching, terrifying moment where every second counts. This sudden loss of heart function is not just a medical statistic. It's a personal tragedy that can happen to anyone, anywhere, underlining the urgent need for awareness and preparedness. Now, contrast that image with the heart attack, a condition that, while no less grave, unfolds differently within the complex chambers of our hearts. A heart attack, also called myocardial infarction, is the result of a blockage in the arteries that supply the heart muscle itself. Imagine your heart starving, cells crying out for oxygen as a thick, sticky clog blocks the very lifeblood from reaching them. This blockage, often caused by a buildup of fatty plaques or clots, prevents parts of the heart muscle from receiving oxygen, causing pain, injury, and if untreated, irreversible damage. The pain you feel during a heart attack is like a fierce storm inside your chest, spreading discomfort to your arms, neck, or jaw, mixed with a crushing anxiety that something inside you is deeply wrong. But unlike cardiac arrest, the heart is still beating, though struggling, and the body remains conscious, which often leads to moments of desperate hope and terrifying uncertainty. Recognizing the symptoms and seeking care immediately can save heart muscle and extend life, highlighting the preciousness of time in every chest pain episode that's ignored or brushed aside. The heart attack is a battle waged within, a cry for help that can be answered by awareness, swift medical intervention, and, ultimately, lifestyle changes that give the heart a fighting chance. Finally, we need to understand heart failure, a phrase that sounds like it implies an acute emergency, but which actually describes a chronic, progressive weakening of the heart's ability to pump blood efficiently. Think of heart failure as a slow erosion of strength, like a steady, persistent leak in a vital water pipe, gradually draining the energy that sustains life's daily rhythm. It's a condition filled with emotional weight, as it often creeps into life incrementally, casting a long shadow of fatigue, breathlessness, and swelling that silently reshapes the fabric of everyday existence. Heart failure does not mean that the heart has stopped. Rather, it means the heart cannot meet the body's demands, leaving patients and families grappling with uncertainty, lifestyle limitations, and the fear of what the future holds. Each day becomes a delicate balance between managing symptoms and savoring moments of strength, a journey marked by endurance, resilience, and hope. Unlike the sudden horrors of cardiac arrest or the intense drama of a heart attack, heart failure challenges the human spirit over time, a reminder that the heart's frailty often mirrors our own vulnerabilities in life's long struggle. Understanding these three distinct yet interrelated heart conditions, cardiac arrest, heart attack, and heart failure, is a powerful act of self-care and compassion. They are stories of sudden peril, painful struggle, and long battles for survival, all underscored by the same unyielding truth. The heart is more than an organ. It is the essence of life, emotion, and connection. By realizing how differently each one manifests, how urgently each demands care, and how deeply each touches human experience, we can become more vigilant and empathetic. This knowledge equips us not only for emergencies, but also for fostering healthier hearts through better awareness, prevention, and support. In the end, understanding these conditions is more than medical insight. It's a profound way to honor life itself and the hearts that keep beating through all of life's trials.